Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and today on Church Media we're going to look at how to import feed into EasyWorship. We've learned over time that you can do that using vMix and all of that, but today we're going to use EasyWorship to import video feed into it. So I'm going to just launch my EasyWorship, and then I've already connected my feed, so I'm not going to show you. We've done video on Droid Cam and Irion and all of those apps basically. So I'm not in charge at the moment. I just have my phone and then the laptop. So I'm going to use Droid Cam for this. So for you to be able to import feed into this on the EasyWorship, so you quickly go to Media. Then you come down to feed. Now on it, you come down to this button here, this plus sign, and you click on the plus sign. So once you click on it, you name it. So let me just say Spay TV, for example, and then that will be the name of it. And then you have to make sure here is on camera. So then here will be where the input devices are. So for instance, I want to use the webcam of the system I'm using. All I need to do is to click on the system webcam, which is the integrated webcam directly, and you will see my face on it. So I can click on OK and it will be imported. So if I want to add more, I'll just go click again. Now I want to import this one on my hand here. That's the phone I'm having, showing another angle of me. Alright, so I'm just going to name it 2, and then I'm going to go down to, it's going to be Droid Cam. So let me see this Droid Cam, whether it's the one. I think it should be either Droid Cam 2 or 3. So okay, that's the other one. So you can see. So once I click on OK, the two of them will be added. So if I click here, this one will show. If I click here, this one will show. So if I wanted to go live, I'll just click on live, and then it should be able to go live. Click on go live, and it should be able to go live. So if I click here and click on live, it should also show live. So basically this is how you can import a feed from your camera, whether you're having a camera with HDMI using capture card, or you're having a phone that you can use any of the import settings and all of that. You can be able to import it right inside the vMix. So I believe that's it from me today, and I will see you in the next video. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For now, bye bye.